Welcome. This is an interesting problem on solving the painted cube, right? So the question says this is a 16 centimeter cube, right? It is painted on red on two opposite sides, blue on two adjacent sides and green on two adjacent sides. So let's see how it looks. So this is blue on two adjacent sides, then I rotate it, it's green on two adjacent sides and top is red and then the bottom again is red, right? So this is the structure of the cube. Now it says that you have to cut it into small identical faces of 4 centimeters. That means I have 4 by 4 cuts that we are putting. So on every side you would see 16 pieces that would be visible, right? How many cubes have exactly one red face and one green face? Now when you start cutting this, I need to have the cubes which would have only red and green faces, okay? So only this side of the cube has to be taken into account. The remaining two sides I would just ignore. So let me move on to the next section. So we painted the face already. Now we remove the sides which are blue. So only this section remains which is green and red. Understand this carefully, right? The blue ones we have already removed. Those which were not red adjacent to the green one are also removed. Now we need only red and green, so we'll remove the blue as well. So we'll just take into account and remove the blue as well. Okay, now what happens is only this section remains. Now the question says let's say how many remain, right? So 5 on the top and 5 on the bottom, which have red and green sides, so total 10 cubes. But now read the question carefully. The question says exactly one red face and one green face. Now note that this corner cube has two green faces, so we cannot include this as well. So these would also be removed. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 on the top and 4 on the bottom would be there. The corner cube would be, the two corner cubes would be removed. That means in all there are 8 cubes which would have one red and one green painted, and we will remove all the other possible combinations that are there, right? So this was an interesting problem to solve. Once you have a clear visualization of the cube, how you cut it, you remove all the blue sides, you are left with only the green sides and the red sides. You remove the pure green sides as well, right? So you remove this, you remove the pure green sides and you are left with only the section which has red and green, and then in the red and green the two sides with the green are also removed. So that's the complete picture, you understand. So these were some of the kind of visualization questions. 3D visualizations for cube and dice is very helpful to help you remember and solve the problems. We'll be coming up with more interesting solutions for you. Have a great day. Thanks for joining.